Today, we've got some exciting news to share. The long-awaited Google Pixel 9 lineup is finally here. That's right, we're diving deep into the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, and the 9 Pro XL. Google is shaking things up this year by releasing not one, not two, but three flagship phones, all geared up to challenge the giants in the industry like Samsung and Apple. So let's dive right in and take a closer look. Let's kick things off by talking about the design of the Google Pixel 9. Now, this could very well be one of the most affordable flagship phones of the year. Design-wise, the Pixel 9 maintains the familiar aesthetic of its predecessor, the Pixel 8, with some noticeable refinements. For instance, the camera visor has been redesigned, no longer extending all the way to the edges. It's a subtle change, but it adds a touch of premium feel to the device. The matte finish on the camera visor contrasts nicely with the glossy sides of the phone. Moving on to the Pixel 9 Pro and the 9 Pro XL, we see a step up in terms of camera capabilities with three lenses on the back. The camera visor is larger compared to the standard Pixel 9, giving it a distinct look. In terms of display, both the Pixel 9 Pro and the 9 Pro XL offer larger screens, with the XL model boasting a nearly 6.9-inch display. With slim bezels and rounded corners, the Pixel 9 series offers an immersive viewing experience, and with screen sizes ranging from 6.5 inches to a hopping 6.9 inches, there's a size for everyone. Now let's talk about what really sets the Pixel 9 series apart: artificial intelligence. Google is gearing up to outshine the competition with some groundbreaking AI features. The Pixel 9 series aims to outperform the competition and provide users with a smarter, more intuitive experience. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 lineup is powered by the Tensor G4 chip, a customized version of the Exynos 2400. This powerhouse of a processor ensures smooth performance and seamless multitasking, making it perfect for all your needs. And there you have it, the Google Pixel 9 lineup for 2024. With three flagship phones offering premium design, advanced AI features, and powerful performance, Google is setting the bar high. But hey, enough from me. I want to hear from you. So, what are your thoughts on the Pixel 9 series? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.